Hello, and welcome to Donation Investment. This analysis is for Talen Energy on NASDAQ as of 7th of August 2026, with a share price of $338. The full report is on donation.ca. Talen has pulled back into the accumulation zone we flagged, and its second quarter raised guidance as the Amazon contract ramps. But the tape is downtrending, the valuation is speculative, and the balance sheet heavily leveraged. So it is a half-size starter at most. Hold, not a buy. Talen is a US independent power producer, roughly 10.7 gigawatts of nuclear and gas, anchored by the large Susquehanna nuclear station in Pennsylvania. What has transformed it is the AI data center power boom. It has signed landmark supply deals to feed hyperscalers directly, including an Amazon contract that is now ramping. The second quarter backed the story up. Adjusted EBITDA of $374 million, adjusted free cash flow of $212 million, and guidance raised to $4 billion of cash flow by 2028 on firmer PJM capacity prices. Here is why the signal stays hold. The reported GAAP net loss of $92 million is a hedge mark-to-market artifact, so we score off adjusted cash flow, but even on that basis, this is expensive. Enterprise value to EBITDA is about 31 times trailing, roughly 17 to 20 on the raised forward guidance, priced on future contracted power rather than earnings you can bank today. And the balance sheet is heavy, debt to equity around 5.9 times, net debt to EBITDA near 7. A speculative multiple on a leveraged high beta name caps the base at a hold, and a hold never gets amplified by a strong driver. The stock is down about 11% since late July, a 25% drop from its 451 high, and that has carried it into the 29 to 347 accumulation zone we flagged last report. That is enough for the fundamental entry path, so entry conviction moves to half size. But the technical path is not met. Price sits below both the 50 and 200-day moving averages in a confirmed downtrend, with no higher low yet. So this is a scale-in starter at most, not a full position. Watch for a reclaim of 354 and the 50-day, or a tested bounce off support, before adding. Now the other side of the ledger: rich speculative multiple, no valuation cushion, power, PJM price, plus hedge mark-to-market volatility, heavy leverage, DE approximately 5.9 times, AI demand dependence. AI capex pause could derate the whole cohort. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 57% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 32%, and the bear case a fall of about 20%, so you are risking about 20 to make 57. So, I'll call on Talen Energy on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donation Investment at donation.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.